Hello everyone, this is me RJ. Here we have a monthly time frame on gold and the prices are still bullish. This is the last break of structure on gold, and upon this is the very key zone from where the prices can move more upside. And if you see that prices has closed above the previous month high, and it's possible that prices just retest its high and again move upside. And if it breaks below the previous month high, then on the retest it can test the key buying zone that we are waiting for. And if we switch to the weekly time frame, here we have the zone that is actually the monthly time frame buying zone and aligned with the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, if we see, here is a pending order block that is a key buying zone on the weekly time frame. And if we see the previous week candle, a candle has closed just near to the low of the previous week. Now if I switch to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, here we can see that this is actually the monthly previous month high. The zone that I have marked M testing is the previous month high that need to be tested now, and this is the last line from where we can expect a week and a continued movement to the upside. And if I mark the daily candle range, the candle has just grabbed the liquidity above the previous days and closed below. And now if prices grab this low liquidity, test the previous month high, the buying zone, this is very key zone from where the prices can move towards all-time high. Here if the prices change its character on M1 or M5, after confirmation you can enter for the long. And what if it's this zone breaks, prices comes down close below, upon retest this will be the key zone for the selling to the weekly buy zone. I'm marking the major key levels. I will move to the 1 hour and 4 hour for the entry purpose, but now you have the overview that what prices, how can prices could move. Here in the 4 hour time frame, you can see the prices have just grabbed the liquidity above this. If the prices close above upon retest, you can enter for the long from this for this zone. And if this zone get breaks, you can enter for the long to the all-time high. This is actually the 1 hour time frame, and you can see this is the break of structure on 1 hour. Here is another break of structure. The prices are creating higher highs and higher lows, and I was actually entered in. I entered in long when this was the retracement. I marked the fib from this low to high, and I was waiting for the prices to test is 70% area. Here on the 70%, when the prices came, I had the confirmation, and I entered in long from here, and my target is the first structure zone. And if the first actually I'm looking for the final target. If this breaks above on the retest, there will be another long entry to the 4 hour high. And if uh, prices grab all this liquidity, after grabbing all this liquidity, we will have our major monthly buying zone, the testing of the previous month high. Here if the prices changes character or whatever the confirmation you are looking for, you can enter for the long, and your first target will be the first structure level of the 1 hour, which is actually this one. And if this breaks, you can hold for the next 4 hour level. Here the prices are ranging between these zones. Here from here, if the prices break this zone, retest, you can enter for the long next zone, which is this one. And if this breaks, or even if it grabs the liquidity upon retest, you can enter for the short as well. It's all about the confirmation. Whatever the confirmation you have, you can uh, trade on these levels. That's all for now. I hope you guys understand the plan. What are the key levels that could play? Keep the trading simple and have a good week. Good luck.